Okay, today we're featuring a 2017 Honda Ridgeline EXL. It's got 23,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax, one owner. It's modern steel metallic in color. I'll go ahead and give you the walk around. We'll start on the driver's side here. Got the nice unlock lock button here on the door handles. Driver's side looks good. It is equipped with the backup camera. It's also got the tow hitch as well. Good bed liner, it's in good shape. And then you can open this up right here. Got your spare tire and storage area. You shut that down. One thing I like about these Ridgelines too is not only will the tailgate open that way, it's also got a release button here. You can also open the tailgate this way. Alright. Make our way down the passenger side. It does have the blind spot monitoring as well, and we'll show you that when we get inside. Alright, everything looks really good on the Ridgeline. It is a certified unit. The two-tone door panels, nice metallic trim, power locks, power windows, gray leather seating, power driver seats, got the perforated insert. Driver seat's in good shape. Passenger seat's in good shape. It does come with 2 keyless entry key fobs. Right. And it is equipped with remote start. Okay, it's an automatic, heated seats, dual climate controls, push button start. It's got your display touchscreen there with navigation and backup camera, and I'll show you that in a second. Leather wrapped steering wheel audio controls, and Bluetooth. Here's your blind spot monitoring button. Alright, we'll show you that in a second as well. And your Econ button. Alright, let's go ahead and check the mileage. It's got 23,467 miles on it. Now that we've got the car started, go ahead and show your navigation. Go ahead and engage your backup camera. Alright, and then we'll go ahead and engage your blind spot monitoring. Alright. And what that does is it actually gives you a visual display of your blind spot on the screen there. You can either mash the button or use the turn signal. Really cool safety feature there. Your dual climate controls, and then you have your heated seats down here. Alright, we have the AC going now for about 10 minutes. Everything blowing nice and cold. Let's go ahead and step out, take a look in the back seat. Back seat leather looks good. Pull this down. There's cup holders here. No issues at all with the interior of this Ridgeline. It's in very good shape. 23,000 miles on it. It is a certified unit. Alright, of course we've already taken a look at the bed liner and the bed of the truck. Let's go ahead and check out your wheels and tires. Let's see, we have, what size we got here? 18-inch alloys. Brand new set of tires. Okay, just to recap, it's a 2017 Honda Ridgeline EXL, 23,000 miles on it. It is a certified unit. All right, it's got a clean Carfax, one owner. Great vehicle, well maintained. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thank you for watching the video.